Welcome to my channel where I share all things travel, especially Disney trips, plus home decor ideas since we just moved into a new house recently, DIY ideas, and just life in between. If that sounds like your kind of vibe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Today we're diving into what I think is one of the most underrated resorts at Walt Disney World, Coronado Springs. Specifically, the Gran Destino Tower. Now, I've heard all kinds of mixed reviews about this place. Some people say it feels like a deluxe resort, even though it's technically a moderate resort. Others say it lacks that Disney magic and they wouldn't stay here ever again. So I had to check it out for myself, and in this video, I will share my honest thoughts, a look inside the resort, and whether I think it's worth your time and your money. So let's get into it. As soon as you enter through the gates of Coronado Springs, you will cross the security point, and the first thing you'll see is the Gran Destino Tower. This is the newest addition to the Coronado Springs resort, and honestly, it feels like Disney was trying to blur the lines between moderate and deluxe. From the moment you walk into the lobby, it's stunning. High ceilings, modern Art Deco inspired design, beautiful lighting. It just gives such a serious upscale vibe. Like, it actually feels like you're in a deluxe resort. As soon as you walk through the doors, towards the left is where you check in. So it's basically the check-in desks, but we did online check-in, so we could just go straight to the room. And then if you look below, you'll see like a seating area, and there's like a huge bar, and then there's this artwork with Walt Disney and Mickey. So I love those little Disney touches. It makes you feel like you're in Disney World. And then towards the left of the lobby, you can take the elevator up and go towards your room. This is the hallway, and it's very modern, very nice. This was our room 9130. So we ended up getting a standard view room, which is also known as a resort view room. It had 2 queen size beds, and then it had hardwood flooring and a small table in between the beds with a lamp, a phone, and it had multiple charging ports. And this room also had a flat screen TV with a welcome sign and a beautiful wallpaper with hidden Mickeys on it. The theme of this resort is Southwest American mixed with Mexican and Spanish culture, so you can see the warm colors, beautiful tile work, and architectural details throughout the resort. The view of this room was absolutely amazing. You could see Hollywood Studios, Swan and Dolphin Resort, some of Star Wars Land, and at night we could even see the Epcot fireworks. This room can fit 4 people easily. This room was very spacious, so if you have kids, this is a wonderful room to have, because with kids you need space, and there's a lot of room for like pack and plays and extra luggages and stuff like that. As soon as you enter, on the left side of the room, there's a sliding door that leads you to the bathroom. The bathroom was beautiful. It had beautiful tiles. They were like Spanish tiles, so you can really see the theme carried throughout the rooms in the Gran Destino Tower. Bye, Mickey! And there's a hidden Mickey. Alana, look, there's a hidden Mickey. Wow. Let's go. This beautiful bathroom did not have a bathtub, so if you're looking for a room with a bathtub, this room is not it. It had a walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, which was really, really nice. There's double vanity and a big mirror. And then there's storage here with some tissues and towels, extra towels, and the toilet and the towels. Right as you exit the bathroom, there was a lot of space. We kept our stroller and our luggages there, but you can also put your pack and play there. And then right next to that space where you can park your stroller is a big cupboard where you can store all your clothes if you're the type of person who hangs their clothes. This had plenty of space, and then there was extra pillows and blankets on the top, and there was also a mirror on the side. This is where you can keep your luggage as well. We just kept our backpacks and stuff there. And then you had the big countertop with the chair and lots of drawers, so you can keep your packing cubes in here as well. So this was really nice, and the countertop was made with quartz, so it gave a very luxurious feel. And then right next to it was like a chair and the Hey Mickey device.
With your finger and say, Pluto, spin. Oh, go ahead and give it a try.
Pluto, spin.
Hot dog. Fantastic spin.
So the Hey Disney device, not the Hey Mickey device like I said before. The Hey Disney device is great if you want to know the weather. You can play some music or ask questions. So it's really helpful, and Alana, my daughter, really enjoyed talking to like Mickey and his pals. So again, I just wanted to show you guys the wonderful view. So even if you get like a standard room with a standard view, it's still a really good view. You can see the parks, and you can also see Spaceship Earth. So I really think it was worth it. I think it had a great view, especially if you're high up. It's a great view. And then down below, on the right side is where the bus stops are. So you can, once you get out the front door, you go towards the right, and that's where the bus stops are. This resort is a huge resort. We didn't get to explore all of the resort, but it was a huge resort. I think one of the biggest ones. And it has a lot of dining options, and there's a pool like where you see the lake. It's right behind it. Like there's a huge pool as well. From the Gran Destino lobby, you just take the elevator down. So once you enter the lobby, you go towards the left, and you can see the elevators there. And there's a hallway that leads you straight over to the old lobby area. Along the way, you'll have easy access to the resort gift shop, Cafe Rick's, and the quick service restaurant El Mercado de Coronado for a quick service meal, and a few other dining options. It's super convenient, especially if it's like raining outside or something. You don't even have to walk outside. Like you can just go through this hallway and explore the resort. Panchito is the name of the resort shop. So you can go there. That's on the left side, and the right side is how you go to the restaurants.
You're very hungry? Okay, let's go to something.
The gift shop is like any other Disney resort shop. It had t-shirts, merchandise, it had groceries, and like if you need medicine or diapers or anything, it's all there. So if you forgot something, you can definitely come check this out.
So now we're heading towards the quick service restaurant El Marciado. Let me turn the camera around. So this is the restaurant El Mercado de Coronado.
So this is a quick service restaurant that is open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So you can come whenever and grab something to eat. The price is very reasonable, and they have both American food and Mexican food, and they have a lot of options for kids, and you can get milk, fruits, whatever you need for your kid. And if you don't want to spend a lot, you can just come here and grab something to eat. So I think this is a great option. So right after crossing the section where you pay, on the right side there's like this little section where you can get stuff for kids. You can get like yogurt drinks, milk, as you can see, oranges, so it's nice to have like a kiddie corner section. As for your food, it's pretty straightforward. It's like all the other quick service restaurants. You just grab your tray and it's like a cafeteria. You just go grab whatever food you want from the cast members. So there were a lot of platters that you could choose from, like they had kids platters and stuff like that. And they also had a beautiful bakery right next to that, like our bakery section, where you can get all kinds of yummy treats, and you could also get some coffee.
I'll buy her some gummies as well.
So I personally thought the food here was really good, and they had a lot of different options. I think it's one of the best quick service restaurants, for me at least. I really enjoyed it, and they had a lot of different options, so that was really nice.
That's alright.
I want your hand to be burned.
Thank you.
So as we reach the end of the video, I wanted to show you guys one more thing, which is the transportation service. So Disney's Coronado Springs resort only has bus services, so that's the only type of transportation they have, which is a negative. But for us, I thought the buses came pretty quickly, and yeah, I thought it was pretty good. Some people complain that since it's only one type of transportation, they don't like it, but for us it worked out. This centrally located resort is not within walking distance to any of the theme parks, but all the parks are pretty close. Animal Kingdom is about 10 minutes away, and then Hollywood Studios and Epcot is roughly 13 minutes away. And Magic Kingdom is a little far, well, not too far, it's about 20 to 25 minutes away. So it's not bad at all, and we didn't have a problem at all. As we reach the end of the video, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. As for the 2 questions, was this resort worth it, and was this resort, or if I think this resort was underrated, I would say yes to both questions, because I definitely do think this resort was worth our money, and I definitely think it was underrated because this resort is beautiful. The rooms were so beautiful, and it felt like a deluxe resort to me, at least the Gran Destino Tower rooms. I don't know about the other rooms, but yeah, I would definitely come back here. So if you're going soon or you have visited this resort, definitely let me know in the comments. As for now, bye and see you again soon.